These are the Simply Gourmet measuring cups. It's a 7-piece set. It goes everything from this tiny one, which is 1/8 of a cup, all the way up to a cup. And they are stackable. And they have this on the end so they don't fall through on one another. And what's nice is it also has a tiny little pour spout right here so that you can pour things easily. And I love them. They're stainless steel, they're sturdy. I know that these will last me for the rest of my life, and I'm not even saying that. So I washed them in the dishwasher beforehand, and I've already used them in my cooking. So follow me cooking and join along.